pay tribute to the dead.
Werbana ensima obirari Kansara wegombora yarushasha kandi obire yaheza kusinga enchuro ye ya kabiri afiire izuba rya nyamwebaziyo obwabire yaheza kurangirwa nk'omusinguzi. Erizoba kanso ya district Isingiro yinamira umubiri gwe omukucura n'Obusaasi Nyamwenge. Abakozi ba district Isingiro hamwe n'aba Kansara babiri nakora nabo bamugamba nko umuntu abiri nakunda entunguka y'icweka cye na munonga cyahikabyo Obwegyese.
That all things work together for good to those who love God and those who are called according to his purpose. Mbyone tubaho ebine nurungi twahabwa kandi tubaho ahabo burungi bwitu itaba kwesera banga nuwe yaturese umunsi eshaha yo na hari kutwetera na tugaruriye agarura twihire.
Tribute to the leader who has served with honor, dedication, and a spirit of selflessness service. Now therefore, be it resolved by Isingiro District Council in this sitting duly convened that Isingiro District Council pays special tribute to the late Honorable Isingiro for his outstanding service.
Kana mnongi mwabagira mbita abakorera government eji so afwe wanyamaza.
He was a very good man. Very good man. In all aspects they have talked about. Abira y'umuntu mubunyi.
Murumuna w'umugenzi Ageihangwe abira amazira kirarwire kandi n'abantu bamuterira akarura rya kitanda bitu yasima ba Kansara abo kumuberaho.
Can't go without being mentioned that he won an election when he was totally ill. It's because of his support, guidance, and courage. People love him because you have nurtured him to perform and deliver services.
Werba yafera emyaka na mushanju y'obukuru kandi naiza kuziyuka izuba rya nyankakare omumakaje omurukendobo ihunga rushasha bukanga north gasha kwa Ruth nomanya.